Former INEC chairman claims he has found possible treatment for coronavirus. Professor Maurice, the former INEC chairman, on Monday, March 2nd in Abuja, announced that he has found a possible treatment for the deadly coronavirus. While briefing the three of President Muhammadu Buhari's ministers, stated that the COVID-19 virus is one of the diseases his research group has been studying for years. Channels TV reports. We have selected to focus on neglected tropical emergent diseases such as Leishmaniasis, Ebola virus, dengue fever virus, chikungunya virus, coronavirus, and Takaribe virus. When the Ebola virus broke out in 2014, many Nigerians were surprised that we had an experimental lead compound that we identified in 1999. Now, with the emergence of a novel coronavirus in 2019 as COVID-19, we have identified and patented a possible treatment back in 2015. It is very important that we must remain ahead of these emergent infections through research, said EU at the conference. Following the widespread outbreak of the virus, the professor said he and his team back in 2015 identified and patented a possible treatment. The former INEC chairman, who is a professor of pharmacology, heads a bioscience institute. He went on to note that the US government has reached out to him to take the discovered treatment and test it against the virus. The professor also added that he had signed an agreement with the US government after he was contacted to test the treatment immediately against the virus. On Thursday last week, the US government contacted me and we signed a non-clinical evaluation agreement for us to take this product forward, and we are trying to see how we can test this compound immediately against this new virus. They are trying to set up so we can see if this particular one is inferior to SARS, so that the program will be able to go on, he stated. The health minister on Monday, March 2nd, said the country is making a strong push towards curbing the epidemic since the first case recorded. He, however, advised the general public on the need for regular washing of their hands with water and soap, saying it is the most critical to avoid contracting the virus. In a related development, the Chinese government has begun clinical trials to test a drug for the coronavirus infection. A new antiviral drug called remdesivir, which is aimed at infectious diseases such as Ebola and SARS, into the tested in Beijing-based China-Japan Friendship Hospital to see if it will curb the new strain of coronavirus. Wow, this is amazing. From a Nigerian citizen, and at the same time for a Nigerian citizen to be able to discover what will actually eradicate the spread of coronavirus. Isn't this amazing? Well, let's see how this will work out. Professor Maurice, the former INEC chairman, who is also a professor, who is a medical personality, has made this known. Well, I think we should try this out and let's see what our government will gain from this also, because if this actually works out, I think it's going to be a very good development, and for Nigeria to be a great honor. Wow, I quite appreciate this. I pray this works out as discovered. Well, according to him, he said the US government has dragged an agreement, contacted him on an agreement onto how this will be forwarded, and we hope for a better result. Well, I would like to have your take on this, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share for more updates. Thanks and God bless.